Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to give developer access in Shopify. First of all, go to your Shopify store, click on settings. From here, you will see users and permissions. If you are paid users, then you will see an option called staff over here, staff account. For example, I'm not paid user, so it is asking me to pay or compare plans. So what I will do, in the free version, I can add a staff. For example, let me go to the users and permission, and in the free version I can add a staff for the point of sale. I will click on open. From here I will click on staff on the left side. Now I can add staff on my Shopify store. I will click on add staff, and from here I will give their first name, their last name, their email and phone number are optional. Now the permissions role. From here, what I can do, there are 3 different roles associated, which is default and the limited permission and full permission. If you want to give full permission to another person, for example your staff, you have to select full permission, and if I click on show permissions, you can see which permissions are allowed. If I select another role, for example limited permissions, some permissions are denied, some of them are allowed. So it depends on you what kind of permissions that you want to give, and all you have to do is click on save, and then you're done. And that's how to give developer access to someone else in Shopify. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.